Very.
Good morning, principal, teachers, and my dear friends.
Sound the
I am Vidhuruti, studying first standard. Today I will speak about Karmavira Kamarajar's achievement. He was born on 1950 in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Kumarasamy, his mother's name was Sivagami Ammai. Kamarajar was the CM of the Tamil Nadu 3 times. During this time, in Bhutan's five primary school was every village. Secondary school was every panchayat. He started free school up to 11th standard and free midday meal also. More dams built in the period. Bhavani, Manimutta, Arni, Amaravati, Vaikai, Nathanur, Krishnagiri, Ulambari, Vitusam, Matu, Kuttipalam in Kanyakumari district. More Hijawal, agriculture and industry. Kamarajar was the CM of the kingmaker in Indian politics. Kamarajar died on 2nd October 1975. Kamarajar என்னது அது என்னமா அது என்னது developed
Awarded ma.
awarded Bharat Ratna 1976. Thank you.